In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach OneDrive file to Outlook email. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to add a cloud-based file to your message, so it's easy for recipients to access, without clogging inboxes with large attachments. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account and make sure you're in the correct inbox where you want to compose the message. Once you're in your mailbox, click New Mail to open a fresh message. Click directly inside the message body. This ensures the full Compose toolbar appears, so you'll see all the insert options you need. Next, look for the insert option in the Compose toolbar. Depending on your screen size, this toolbar might be along the top or bottom of the Compose window. Click Insert, then choose Attach File. Outlook may show you recently used files, but we want to attach something from OneDrive, so choose the OneDrive option. Your OneDrive will open, showing your folders and files. Navigate to the folder where your document lives. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar in OneDrive to find it quickly, and double-check you're in the right account, especially if you use multiple Microsoft profiles. When you see the file you want, click it to select it. Outlook will then ask how you want to attach it. Choose Share Link. This adds a cloud link to your email instead of sending a static copy. It's ideal for large files, and it keeps everyone on the same, up-to-date version if the file changes later. A quick tip on permissions. After choosing Share Link, you can usually adjust who can access the file and whether they can view or edit. If you're sending sensitive content, limit access to specific people. If you want easy access for anyone receiving the email, use a broader sharing option, but keep it view only if edits aren't needed. You'll now see the file appear in your message with a cloud icon, indicating it's linked from OneDrive. That means the recipient will get a clean, secure link instead of a bulky attachment. From here, you can continue drafting your email and send it as you normally would. That's it. You've opened Outlook, composed a new message, inserted a OneDrive file, and attached it as a shareable link. This method is fast, organized, and perfect for collaborating without version confusion.